What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Last Epoch on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, but don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to your Google browser and we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and after that we will search for this game. So search up the game, then select it, and after that scroll a little bit down. Now you will find this game for a price of €33.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround to save yourself a bit of money. What you need to do is go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here. After that you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game and then select games on the left side. After that sort by price lowest first and you will find this game, which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and of course you need to select the PC version. Then you can click on the game and you will find out that this game is already available for just €22.38 compared to the price of €33.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And as you can see, there is a very high positive feedback on this seller on this website, so it is completely legit and safe to download and buy. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!